this video, I am going to make the lemon and orange drink that has a lot of vitamins. Go for it. A lemon and 2 oranges. Half tablespoon of sugar. Half glass of water. Lemon juice. Orange juice. Add the sugar to the glass with water and mix well. Then add the lemon juice to the water and continue mixing. Then add the orange juice to the water and continue mixing. Transfer to a glass of drink and add the ice. Put a slice of orange in the glass to decorate. The lemon and orange drink would be ready, which is very refreshing for the summer and has many vitamins.